All right, here we have another patient, and you can see basically you're supposed to have a lub-dub sound here for the heart. And you can see it's missing that second sound all the way across. And when you actually look down at the rest of those, so I'm going to see if I can actually do this with one hand. There you go. And we're going to bring it across, so it's okay here. It's okay. It's okay as you go back, but you'll see that there's more than 4 or 5, 6, what's that, 7, 8 of them missing there. Okay, and again, this is in 15 seconds. And when you look at the second one, so we gave her specifically Cataplex F tablets, which that particular supplement helps to push calcium across into the tissues. And you can see the difference in that second heart sound. There's one that's just slightly missing, but comparatively speaking, that's definitely a lot better than what she originally started with. So much improved. And again, that's in about a 30-minute time frame between when it was taken and when the second one was taken. So there you go. So if you're interested in this, you're welcome to give the office a call. Phone number here is 716-754-9039. And always remember, a well-nourished body is a happy body.